wait, they can wait as long as they want, but otherwise a buddy's got to come over and put a fake tourniquet on them. They're right back in the fight.
Oh, okay.
If nobody, if they die out in the open and their buddies know, hey, if I go try to get my guy, I'm going to get shot, they wait 4 to 5 minutes and they can go back to their respawn and get back in the fight.
I can see me trying this, y'all. We even got women out here. I done took my first shot.
Airsoft, yeah.
I can take it. I done took my first shot. I can take it. Run, my man, run. Look, my man gun sound nasty. Yes, sir. There's one of the females there walking.
Oh, moment's black. I'm out of air, brother. Oh, okay.
You guys don't understand how much money they spend on this hobby. Their artillery alone, their accessories. Why sit at home and play Call of Duty and Modern Warfare and Fortnite when you could be out here living it? This is the real deal. My man, one more time, shout it out one more time. They just got to know. They just got to know. One more time, my man. Shout
Black Tiger Airsoft out in Plant City, Florida. We're open every Saturday and Sunday.
This is dope, man. Come get some of these BBs put up in. That's what I'm talking about.
Hey, can you guys push through that fucking building already? Come on, guys. We're in.
Pull that pistol.
3 minutes remaining. Get him, Lily.
So they actually have to go through the building to get to the other side, or?
They can do whatever they want. It's a little bit safer to go through the building versus running out in the open, though.
So the people hiding behind the buildings don't even know that there's people inside.
There's no way.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh,
Oh, ricochet.
Damn. Whoa. Wow. Wait a minute. I think a new game just started and I'm in the line of fire. This is the wrong place to be. That's completing what they call completing an objective. Now he's putting the tourniquet on this guy. I guess that's like a self-revive. Man, I got BBs. Whoa. 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 I got to stay down. Whoa. Sorry, my footage sucks right now, but those BBs carry velocity. I got to get out of the fire. Whoa, don't hit me, don't hit me, don't hit me. Oh, don't hit me. Too old for this. Oh, they got the dummy right here. So they've got to get the dummy to the hood of that Xterra up there. Alright, we'll be back no more.
Jerry, dead wreck.
Huh?
Dead wreck.
And what did you have to get him to now?
Just take him back to the flag.
It's all part of it.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. 10 minutes. 10 minutes.
Shit breaks down, the support weapon goes down, huh?
Literally what I was thinking. I was like, man, they had solid control in this lane.
Pushing right.
Hey, no, hey. Shoot.
Got him, you got him.
Medic!
They was trying to take me out.
Sam, the group over there, you guys can take another one, take one.
Tommy!
Yeah, grab him. That's fine.
And now he's reviving him. He called for a medic. And you can see they've got the dummy over here lying on the ground.
Stop eating.
The box mag?
Yeah, but it's trigger fed.
Oh.
So, not sure what's going on. Wiring, whatever. That's why we're out here. Getting ready for Series Viking and what? There's like an event a month for the next 3 months.
You get a rebuy? You get one respawn, but you can be tourniqueted by
On that respawn side.
Oh, yeah. You get 2 tourniquets per life. Wait a couple of minutes and
This team is starting to push up. This is what they call the 50-yard line right here, the halfway point. So believe blue team is starting to push up. And they got to get their dummy to the hood of this vehicle right here. So this team has to advance with the dummy. The orange team have to push past the blue team here. That's pretty stuff because I don't really see them. Oh, airstrike. They ordered an airstrike. Oh! I done took one in the jewels. But I shot Mr. Uncut in the jewels, y'all. Somebody shot me in my jewels, man.
Where'd you get hit from? Huh? Where'd you get hit from? You think I can drag you? Straight ahead. You think I can drag you? Oh, sorry.
Somebody just shot me in my jewels.
18 minutes.
Hey, where are you? I know, I just got him though, bro. He just came in. Good, how we doing?
Pretty bad, pretty fucking bad right now.
No, you're not.
I sideways a little
No,
bit.
you're playing Airsoft,
I
man.
got shot in the back, man.
You see it work.
Yeah, that's fucking cool.
Oh, come on, dude. There's all fucking day I got you. Hey. How many times? Come on, man.
James, he's shooting that guy.
No, he was looking right at me.
Oh.
It's the same guy. He's
Oh,
like,
okay,
oh,
my
oh.
bad. Gotcha.
It was a mistake. He just saw my arm. He couldn't see the head.
So they're going back to respawn?
Yeah. The guy dead by the pilot, you can go respawn.
What the fuck? Okay.
The guy that's walking back now, if anybody died in that initial push, you guys can go respawn. You're good to go respawn.
Oh, no! Oh!
Hit. Fuck.
I need return fire!
Talk about camouflage. I couldn't even see him.
How you gonna walk all over me, bro? What's going on? Over there. I need you to shoot around the corner. I'm pinned down.
Oh, BB's getting close. I already took one in the chest and one in the gonads.
All my orange guys that are dead over there with Sam, you guys can go respawn. It's been long enough.
Okay, orange team. One of those guys on the blue team put a plug in me last game. I need y'all to avenge the media. I took a bullet for you guys. I almost jumped up yelling, fight, fight, fight.
We appreciate your sacrifice.
I took a bullet, Orange Team. I need y'all. Avenge the bullet I took.
There by the golf cart. Someone was shooting across. And I don't know how the blue team, how they're shooting the red. Their guys are hiding in the ditch. You know,
the rip.
it's like. I took him out to CIA indoor field, and he saw that up close shooting. He's like, I'm not playing. He climbed up in the tower, and he's like, Like, come outside and watch. Come on. And then these guys, nah, yeah, you'll get shot.
Yeah, I felt it. I broke my virginity. I took 2 to the chest.
But it does not hurt nearly as bad out here, even though we're shooting harder.
He's dropping off a thermal can right there. So.
So with the blue team advancing this far on the red, what does it mean?
All right, I'm gonna call it. Unless there's some orange guys out there hiding. Index, game over. Good job, blue team. Orange team, hell of a fight. Game over, game over, game over, game over.
I feel like a veteran. I've been broken in. I took 2 to the chest and 1 to the gonads.
Hey, little swoop, we put the one in the back. Yeah, put it in the shoe. Oh, okay. It's not supposed to put it in the shoe.
All right, my man was over here having technical difficulties
It happens.
in the midst of war.
And you saw what happened when the squirrel went too. We got overtaken. This is wiring for something like this. Well, it's lunchtime, and I'll bust out a different weapon system and come out and play with a different gun next game.
Like on their team or on He wasn't that.
Real stuff. Hope the Bucks win it. This is my game today.